Where's the receipt from the client dinner last night?
Oh, coffee spilled on it. It was venti.
And the taxi receipt from Delhi?
My dog ate it. It was organic.
And what about the receipt for the office supplies, the emergency
Robert
office
said to test the new shredder. It was for science.
And the hotel receipt from San Diego?
I was finishing my expense report on the plane. Someone opened a window and, well...
Tired of hunting receipts? With ABUKAI, employees submit receipts in seconds, so they get it done, instead of you chasing them. It's so quick, there's no room left for excuses. With ABUKAI, employees submit receipts in seconds, not hours. No drop-down forests, no week-long trainings, no 12-step workflows. Just done. No confusing approval loops. Snap a photo. ABUKAI fills in the details, automatically. Category? Done. Vendor? Done. Date and currency? Done. Automatically matched and verified to the credit card? Done. Electronic receipts? Automatically forwarded and added to ABUKAI. Month end? Closed. ABUKAI. Expense reports. Done for you. No excuses.